So, George, I think we should dive into that first deal that you did as far as our case study. So you had a mentor or coach during this process. It was probably a pretty big help in terms of swimming upstream from single family and small multifamily. So how did that process start from when you started to the races and looking for deals? How did this opportunity come to you?
I've always been pretty good at following directions, right? So if I'm going to hire a coach, I'm going to listen to what they take action. So a lot of networking. And this deal specifically came from a networking event, and it was a single family broker actually, but they had sold this multifamily apartment to the owner. So they reached out to the owner and asked him, hey, you interested in selling it? And they were, so it was completely off market. We were able to negotiate a pretty good deal. And that's how we found it, right? So networking, getting it out there, letting everybody know, hey, we're buying apartments, and then putting that team together so that we could actually take it down and execute the business plan and all that.